Before you begin texturing, we recommend you purge the steam wand first by momentarily lifting the steam lever. Once you have purged your steam wand, begin with fresh, cold milk. Fill the milk jug to just below the spout position. Lift the steam wand and insert it into the milk. Lower the steam wand, making sure it clicks into place. To start, press down and release the steam lever. The LCD will display the temperature of the milk as it heats. Milk texturing will stop automatically when the selected milk temperature is reached. To finish, lift the steam wand and remove the milk jug. Wipe the wand and tip with a damp cloth. Now, lower the steam wand to the down position and the wand will purge automatically. Remember, different brands and types of milk and milk alternatives will texture differently, so you may need to adjust your texture levels accordingly.